हेलो गाइस। शेयर मार्केट की एक और वीडियो में आपका स्वागत है। मैं आर्यन, लर्न एंड मनी स्टॉक एनालिसिस टीम। बात करने वाले हैं हम लोग इस समय की जो इवेंट बेस्ड गिरावट हमें देखने को मिली है। अगर हम निफ्टी की बात करें मंथली टाइम फ्रेम पे, अभी ज़्यादा बड़ी गिरावट हमें देखने को मिली नहीं है, क्योंकि आप देखोगे कि इस तरह के इवेंट हमने एक्सपेक्ट किया था। एंड हम लोग ने जब भी देखा कि 2021 में from April, May and June, we have seen a small fall in the market due to the spread of the new Delta variant. And until then, if we observe that the trend is continued in the same way, so this is a little bit correction which is very much required, और ये होना भी चाहिए एक हेल्दी मार्केट में, बिकॉज इफ़ यू सी द निफ्टी हैज़ reached to 18,000 level in just a few months only. Yes or no? So that's why the market will always goes like zigzag. And as a good trader, what we have to make us more capable so that we can make money in the falling market also, and when the market is in bullish mood. So these two types of scenarios, either it will be in bullish mood or it will be in a bearish mood. So you have to be trained in both direction. If the market will fall, the put side you can make money through put sides, and if market will enhance, you will make money through call sides. And in sideways market also you can become premium seller and earn decent profit. So what my view is, if you look at the weekly also, a small correction has been seen, and the way the news is coming from the international market, the news based fall we have seen last day, last trading day, that means on Friday. But if we look at the frequency of these news, let me show you the way the news is uh, the new coronavirus variant Omicron is in the news, and that's why there is panic in the market. So it is sentiment based fall. So we have seen in the earlier times also, we have been through these type of scenarios, and even the in the pandemic of 2019. So we have to adopt accordingly, and I will be keep you updated in my groups also. I will keep you updated how to trade, how we are going to trade. Okay, so that's all. And if we look at the our Telegram channel, it is so I already told you that the market will behave like this. Who are in the market before 2090s knows this very well. And look, guys, what is permanent? If you have knowledge, you can trade both red and green, which I told you already. And with the practice and calculation, you can even hedge the sideways market too. But for that, you have to learn also. Although learning is only optional for you, it is not compulsion. And in learning, I will be discussing about the demand and supply theory of Sher Khan, and Dow theories, and how to and when to follow the trend lines. And we will discuss about options Greek and how to use options and strike price for the trading, and when you have to become option seller and buyer, and when do you have to hedge the options. So these things we will cover in the course also, so you will be market ready in all type of scenario. So that's all, guys, and we will meet again on YouTube. And please, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. And I have given my Telegram link in the description also. You can subscribe my channel also to stay updated about the calls levels which we are giving for the educational purpose. And that's it. Take care, guys. Good night.